Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Q Developer. This powerful generative AI assistant is designed to significantly enhance your software development experience, especially within AWS environments. Think of it as your intelligent coding companion, ready to assist you throughout your entire development lifecycle. It aims to streamline complex tasks and boost your overall efficiency, making cloud development more accessible and faster for every developer. Amazon Q Developer offers robust features to accelerate your work. It can generate code, create unit tests, and even help modernize legacy applications, such as upgrading Java 8 to Java 17. This AI assistant also performs security vulnerability scanning, identifying issues early and suggesting actionable fixes. Early adopters have reported a 20 to 40% boost in developer productivity and a 30% reduction in time spent resolving code-related issues. You can integrate Amazon Q Developer seamlessly into your existing workflow. It's available directly within popular integrated development environments like Visual Studio Code and IntelliJ IDEA. You can also interact with it through the command line interface for quick terminal assistance or within the AWS console for cloud-specific guidance. Getting started is straightforward. Simply install the relevant extension or plugin and sign in using your AWS Builder ID or IAM Identity Center. Beyond basic assistance, Amazon Q Developer offers advanced capabilities. Its agentic features allow it to autonomously handle complex, multi-step tasks, from implementing new features to refactoring code. You can also customize its code recommendations by providing your own project's code samples, ensuring suggestions align perfectly with your team's standards. This intelligent assistant continuously learns, providing highly tailored insights specific to your AWS environment and coding practices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.